Need some uninterrupted time on your iPhone? Let's activate the Do Not Disturb mode for peace and focus. Hi, I'm Suyuk from Online Health Guide, and in this video I will show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and open the Control Center. In the Control Center, you will see various options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and more. Locate the focus option and tap on it. Finally, tap on the Do Not Disturb mode and turn on the Do Not Disturb mode on iPhone. And this is how you can enable Do Not Disturb mode on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.